Hi, we're going to start math lesson number 10 today with how many do you see, but in a flash? So, what's going to happen is I'm going to show you those three dots pretty quickly. So, you have to count them very quickly with your eyes. All right, so be ready. Are you ready? How many dots did you see? Did you say 3? Now I'm going to show it to you again. You ready? Show me with your fingers how many dots there were. Right, there were 3. Now, how did you see them? That's tricky. I'll do it one more time. Did you see a shape? Did you see some on the top and some on the bottom? I saw that triangle again. Perhaps you saw 1 on the top and 2 on the bottom. There's a lot of different ways you can see them. Now, you ready? You got to count with your eyes fast. How many did you see? One more time. Show me on your fingers how many you saw that time. Did you see 5? Now, how did you see them? Now, because we're in a bigger number, here's where your friends are probably going to say they see them in different ways. If you've ever played a game with a die, that's how it looks on a die. Now, because there's a lot of dots there, sometimes people will see them in a square. So I know that's how many. That's 4. And then I have to add 1 more in the middle to make 5. So when I see that image, when I see those dots together, when they look just like that, I'm going to remember that it's 5 because that's what it looks like when it's on a die. But there's a lot of different ways I see 2 on the top, 1 in the middle, and 2 on the bottom. Many, many different ways that you can explain how you saw that. Now, back to that story again from yesterday. Our 3 little monkeys. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Now, how could we act out that story today? What do we have that we could use to show 3 monkeys? I have something right here. Were you thinking of your fingers? Do you have something else at home that you could use to act it out? So, let's use our fingers today. And I like to jump. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Now, we had 3 monkeys, and 1 fell off. What does that look like when you're using your fingers if 1 fell off? Did you do that? Because now, how many monkeys are left on the bed? Right, there's only 2 left, isn't there? Now, I'm hoping that I can get this so that you're going to be able to see what your friends are going to be doing at school today. So, bear with me for a minute. Your friends are going to have a paper that's going to look something like this. And the reason why I have it flat is because I see here in this box, there's how many people? 1, 2, 3. So what they have to do is they have to get enough erasers so that every friend in this box has an eraser. So if there are 1, 2, 3 people, they need 1, 2, 3 erasers. So help me count these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many children are there? Right, there are 5. So how many erasers do I need so every child has an eraser? Remember how many there were? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, the last box on the bottom, how many children are in that box? 1, 2. So I need to make sure that every child in that box gets an eraser. 1, 2. So if we need enough, the numbers have to match, right? 3 children, 3 erasers. 5 children, 5 erasers. 2 children, 2 erasers. So if you have something at home, like we talked yesterday about spoons and forks, if you have 3 spoons, can you get enough forks? If you have 3 red blocks, or 5 red blocks, sorry, can you get 5 green blocks so that there is enough for everyone? So remember, these things here that we're working with at school, they will be here also when you get back. So I hope that you have enough time to get all your work done and have some time for fun. See you next time.